Good morning. Let me quickly talk you through my morning springtime routine because I just did my switch up where I change out the products. I already cleansed my face using something like this, like a gentle gel cleanser. I did that off camera because right now I'm not at my sink. And then I'm gonna go in with the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I do that around 3 times a week to keep my congestion at bay, focus around the T-zone, but also, on my cheeks because I get acne and breakout clog pores in this hormonal beard area, as they quite charmingly call it. If I don't use the Paula's Choice, I just use a simple hydrating toner like the Balea Beauty Expert one. This is German drugstore. You can get it for really cheap, but any hydrating non-active toner will do. And no, it's not a necessity, but I feel like my skin craves extra hydration. And to follow that up, I am going in with a vitamin C serum. This is Sea Glow. Geek Gorgeous, my favorite. You have seen it used in like hundreds of videos, I guess. It is the one thing that never really changes, and that goes all over my face and then down my neck. And then I give that like some time to absorb and use an eye cream. And again, no surprises here. I love the Inkey List caffeine eye cream. I use others on and off, but I really enjoy that one for that. I don't know if you can see because I've already been up for a while, to reduce the puffiness that I get, especially during the springtime because I have seasonal allergies. So this just goes around the eyes, pat it in, and I always take it on the eyelid as well. It doesn't interfere with my makeup and just leaves things plump. Usually I would brush my teeth now just to let the vitamin C absorb fully, but I'm gonna spare you that. And then I'm gonna follow up with this is a new one, Skintegra Luna Serum Concentrate, which is hydrating with a side of peptides that I really enjoy. Just goes all over the face and the neck. No tackiness, really hydrating, plumps the skin and has some extra anti-aging benefits. And then it's time for sunscreen. I don't use a dedicated lotion moisturizer because I use something like this, Skin 104 Madagascar Centella Hyalusica Water Fit Sun Serum. I did a sponsor post when they released this, just for full disclosure, but this one is not sponsored, and this is like my 3rd tube of that. I really like it. And I take 4 pumps and just go in. And with these hydrating sunscreens, I don't feel the need for a dedicated cream now that it is getting warmer. Used to be different in the winter, but now with these hydrating serums underneath, this is just enough. And now I don't have a mirror, so I wonder if I will end up with blotches of sunscreen all over my face or if that will work out fine. And again, I take this sunscreen all around up my eyes and on the eyelid to protect that delicate area from UV damage as well. And it might look kind of glowy now, but I promise it will dry down and look more matte, or more like skin in the process. And that's it. My spring skincare morning routine all done. Cheers.